Jack didn't hesitate. He opened the window and stepped onto the impossible. The beanstalk wasn't just tall, it was alive. Thick vines twisted upward, disappearing into the sky. Leaves rustled softly as if the plant itself were breathing. Jack placed one foot on the vine, then another. It held. Up he climbed, higher than the trees, higher than the rooftops he had known his whole life. The ground slowly shrank below him. The world he came from grew quieter, smaller, far away. With every step, Jack felt something change. The hunger, the fear, the doubt, all of it faded. Ahead of him was only sky and whatever waited at the top. The clouds closed in around him. The air grew thin. The way back vanished beneath the leaves. Jack stopped for a moment, looked down, then up. There was no turning back. What was at the top? Part 16 tomorrow in my shorts.